If you have a contact of anyone that you'd like to save, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a contacts in your Google contact. All you have to do is head over to google.com, ensure that you sign into your account, then click the apps and scroll down to contacts. Now from here on the upper left hand side you'll have create contact. Simply click on that, and here you can choose if you want to create multiple contacts or you want to create just a single person. Click on create a contact. That's going to pop up here with multiple details that you need to fill in. So you can go ahead and you can fill in the person's name. So I'm going to simply type in Dave as an example. Then last name, I'm going to simply type in Doe as an example. And I'm going to leave the company as is, and the title, let's leave it as that. And the email, I'm going to simply write in dave.doe at gmail as an example. Now you can choose if you want to add a phone number or you can leave that blank. It's really up to you. Just ensure you fill the necessary details that you need to create to save the contact. Now at the bottom as well you have the option to show more. If you click on that, you can add additional details such as website, custom fields, and so much more, even a note. Now once you're done, go ahead and click on save, and that's going to save that contact into your Google contact. And here you can see a preview of that. Now if I click on contacts again on the left hand side, you can see I now have the contact there. And that's it. That's how to go ahead and save a contact in Google Contacts. Very easy and very simple.